this is how we charge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This time you can see I have HK900 Watch 9 BKX, a beautiful looking pack, pilot star from this. Let's unbox this one. Here we go. It's coming with a many stripe. You can see here is one manual. You see white stripe, then you have elastic one, then you have a chain metal, okay, and then you have ocean stripe, that is black color. Wow. Here you have charger, very quite cheap quality, nothing, don't feel nothing absolutely at your hand. And here is the watch, black in color, Apple Watch Ultra. Although, let me take this off this pack to see what we get in this. Now, take this off. Here is the watch. You can see the dialer. You see, it's not as Apple Watch. It makes some noise. Apple Watch doesn't make any noise. Many videos on Apple Watch if you want to check. And here one button, make noise as well. Back side you can see the sensor. Looks quite as original, but it's plastic, not ceramic as Apple Watch Ultra. Here although you have the click switch for stripe. Here you have action button as well, speaker hole, and the holes are original. Not bad. Watch looks good, not bad in this price. You don't have any antenna line of the Apple Watch Ultra. And the stripe you can put. So not bad. Box is quite decent. They sent me one pack of film protector with this one. So not bad the watch, I would say, guys. Lovely. Only is a very cheap quality, nothing to do with original one, but from distance look as Apple Watch Ultra. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.